Yeah, hello, Ashu. Yeah, please. Hello.
Hello. Yes, hello.
Yeah, you are audible now.
Yes.
Yeah, so here you can see Mr. Sairam is online. So who is looking for the SAP EWM training. So you
Yeah.
both can proceed first.
Okay. Hello. Hello, Sairam. Hello.
Hi, Ashwin. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Doing good, thank you.
Sure. Okay. Before we start, are you aware of SAP?
Yeah, so let me give you the background so that you'll
Okay.
have a good view. So I have like 12 plus years of experience in SAP technical. So yeah, I'm working on SAP from 2014. I have a like very like working on the like technical like middleware like CPI, Fiori, and SAP side, ABAP. Yeah, this is just my background, and I have a good knowledge on all the functional modules like SDM, MFIPP. So yeah, I'm looking for just learning the EWM for my enhancement purpose. So that is where I reached out to HKR Group, Ashwin.
Okay. Sure. Good. Okay. So, uh, okay. So, what as a EWM does is it will help the organization manage their inventory, day-to-day operations like inbound and outbound. Inbound meaning all the incoming materials. Outbound is
Mm-hmm.
all the outgoing materials. Right? So this EWM will help us the organization or any business to manage the inventory, all the goods movement to the warehouse and outgoing coming of the products or stock.
Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen. Uh,
So by the way, so can you just brief about yourself so that
yeah, I have 4 plus years of experience in EWM. Currently, I'm working for a Saudi-based company client. Right?
okay, okay, that's good.
Okay. So share my screen. Once it's possible.
Yeah, I
Hope you
can
can
see
see my
it.
screen. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Before we start, let's talk about the deployment options available for EWM, right?
Okay.
First, we have decentralized, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
EWM, which is standalone server.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have embedded.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have cloud, right? Cloud based. Okay. Uh, in the decentralized EWM, what we have is like this is a standalone system, right? Unrelated to
Mm-hmm.
this all the core modules, SDMM, PP, all this, right?
Yeah, it's a separate system. Yep.
Yeah, separate system, right? We have separate lines. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever we perform, so there will be settings and all, right? Data to master data to flow from one system to this EWM system, right?
Mm-hmm.
So these are two systems, two separate systems, right? And next we have embedded system, which
Mm-hmm.
in embedded the EWM will be available with all the other core modules, right? So there is no
Yeah,
sub.
yeah, yeah. It's basically example. This one is we can say as for HANA. The above one we
Yes,
can say the ECC where the old systems like they are existing ECC and now they are implementing EWM. So yeah, I'm aware of these two options. Yes.
yeah. Not yeah. Decentralized is also available in S4 as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah.
Yeah. But the keep in mind that embedded doesn't mean these are in the embedded also the EWM will be a separate system, treated as separate systems. There will be queues
Mm-hmm.
to flow the data, but
Okay,
both the
got it.
systems will be available in one box, right? So that is why it's embedded.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Even though both the EWM and S4 are available, ERP is available in same system,
Mm-hmm.
there will be data flowing to EWM system through queues. We have a concept called queues, outbound queues and
Yeah.
inbound queues. Right?
Okay.
The data which flows from a ERP or we say S4 to EWM is called outbound queue. The transaction for is this outbound queue is SMQ1.
Mm-hmm.
And for the data flow from EWM system to S4, it's called inbound queue. Right? The transaction is SMQ2.
Okay.
And the cloud, as I think you are aware, right? This is a subscription based thing. And
The
this
cloud
cloud,
one, I'm not. Yeah. Go ahead. Sorry.
yeah, cloud is like basically used by very few warehouses, which they where their operations are very less, right? But
Okay, got it.
yeah, but where the warehouses, the huge operations they have, right? All the managing the
Mm-hmm.
stock and all, they'll use this embedded or decentralized standalone
Okay. Okay, got it.
on-premise. They'll use cloud will be used by organizations where their inventory is very little. So in this, there won't be much more customizing things available. Everything is standard.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So these are the deployment options we have. Okay. Now let's talk about the org structure of the EWM, right? So as you're
Mm-hmm.
aware, there will be company code followed by
Mm-hmm.
plant. Then plant will have storage locations, storage location one,
Mm-hmm.
two, and this storage location, then plant and with the plant and storage location combination, a warehouse number will be assigned. Warehouse will be assigned.
Yeah.
Multiple plants can be assigned to one warehouse or one warehouse. One plant can have multiple warehouses or multiple plants can have one warehouse. Right? It can be vice versa,
So,
but both is possible.
so for one warehouse can be tied to multiple plants and storage location. That's all right.
Yes.
Okay.
And one plant can have multiple warehouses as well with the
Yeah,
different
that's
storage
correct.
locations.
Yes, correct. Yeah, different
Let's talk
storage
about
location.
here. Let's see. Plant 01 and storage location. 01
Mm-hmm.
can have warehouse
Warehouse one,
EWM1. Again, plant 01, storage location 02 can have warehouse 2.
two.
And similarly, plant 01, storage location 01 can be assigned to one warehouse EWM1 and plant 02, one same location can be assigned to same warehouse.
Oh, okay.
And then the warehouse now the warehouse will have storage types. The storage types are
Okay.
nothing but racks, right? Racks or open storage areas or these kind of things.
Okay.
I call storage types. And if the storage types can be further divided into sections.
Okay.
Right? Let's assume this is a storage rack, right?
Mm-hmm.
Called storage types 01, right? Here we can
Mm-hmm.
divide this storage type into two sections. This can be called as fast moving area And the other one can be section, this can be called as fast moving 01, or this can be slow moving 01. Two sections, one
Okay.
storage type can have two sections, and
Mm-hmm.
this single box will represent a bin.
Okay.
Okay. Unlike unlike WM, right? You know the WM, right? Warehouse
Oh yeah,
management.
I just
Yeah,
yeah, warehouse. I'm aware
yeah,
of that. Just
yeah. In warehouse management, the storage section is mandatory, but in EWM, the storage
Mhm.
section is optional.
Okay. Got it.
And the bin we have, and the bin is 1:1 ratio with the
Yeah.
warehouse. Same bin
So
cannot have.
bin is nothing but it's an actual product where we
No,
are storing,
bin
right?
is actually actual location,
Yeah.
exact location
Look
of the bin.
location.
The warehouse will have storage type, multiple storage types, and the storage types will have a number of bins.
Sections.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sections is optional. Yeah, section,
Mm-hmm.
and also right, and the bin, one bin will be unique across the warehouse. Let's say I have created bin called as bin 01, right? 0101. This
Mm-hmm.
this bin I cannot create again. This will be unique, 1:1 ratio with the warehouse. No
Okay.
matter the storage type, right?
Got it.
I cannot create the same bin for other storage types. This is unique across the warehouse.
Got it. Got
And
it.
yeah, and this is the important part, activity area. Activity area is nothing but logical grouping of bins. Right? Uh,
Okay.
we can group the bins according to the activity. Like we have few activities, right? Pick activity, then we have
Pack.
put away, then we have internal movements, right? Then we have
Mm-hmm.
inventory, internal, few activities. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Based on the activity, we can group the bins. See,
Okay.
the storage type we have these many bins, and this storage type has these four bins, and the storage type
Mm-hmm.
three has these bins. Like for picking, I will group these bins and create activity areas AA01, right?
Mm-hmm.
For the put away, I'll group storage bins of these two storage types.
Okay.
So activity area is nothing but logical grouping of bins.
Okay.
Without activity area, we cannot do any. We cannot perform anything in the system, right?
Okay.
Now, this is the same org structure: warehouse number and storage type, storage section, storage bin, and the quantity is actual product, which is stored in the bin, right?
Okay.
Handling unit of product
Uh,
stored in the bin. This we can consider as one storage type.
Okay.
This is one storage type, and then storage type it has three sections: section 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And these are the bins, exact location where the product has been put.
Okay.
Mm, okay. Now let's talk about aisle levels in stack. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in this storage type, we have three levels: level 1,
Mm-hmm.
level 2, level 3. The horizontal ones are levels, right? And the vertical
Mm-hmm.
ones are stacks: stack 1, stack 2, stack 3, and stack 4.
Okay.
And the aisle is nothing but straight
Yeah, the
between the two
act.
storage types. This is called
Mm-hmm.
aisle 1, then again it can repeat aisle 2,
Mm-hmm.
and the likewise. Right? This space, right? Between, again, let's assume there is one more storage type here, one more rack.
Okay.
You can say aisle 1, aisle between these two storage types, there will be aisle.
Mm, okay.
Okay, if you see over here, it's the nomenclature of the bin. They have each here it is warehouse. First, it is warehouse 1. It could be anything, but For here, this example, I'm showing this warehouse one, followed by aisle one, first aisle, then first level, and first stack. This will give
Okay.
us exact location of the bin.
Okay.
Similarly, if
Got it.
this for this is called this, it will be aisle one, level three, and bin
Stack one.
stack one. Yes.
Mhm.
This for and the same this here. This will be aisle one, level four, and stack three.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Okay. Now this will be your typical warehouse layout.
Mhm.
Here you will have loading, unloading area, picking and shipping areas, right?
Mhm.
Uh, for all the inbound movements, vehicle, the truck will come and knock to the door. Then they'll unload it in the unload here. Then after unloading, based on the based on their tasks, they'll put away it in the destination bin.
Okay.
And for the picking, right, they'll pick from the destination bin, put away in the internal storage type, which is staging area. These are called staging areas.
Mhm.
Let me show you with the diagram. Let's assume this is a warehouse. And warehouse will have these are doors, right? Inbound doors,
Mhm.
and here the outbound door. You say this is as warehouse one. This has door inbound, door outbound. Whenever the truck comes, it will dock. It will park here at this door, and the
Mhm.
operator will unload the products in the staging area.
Mhm.
This is
Okay.
called GR zone. Can I distribute
Okay.
dollars 9010? So GR zone where the unloading unloading happens. Right? Before putting in the
Okay.
final bin, they'll stage the product in this zone, GR zone.
Mhm.
After that, then they'll decide where to put this product.
Okay. Actual
Similarly,
bins.
yes, children's here we have multiple storage types. Storage type one, that's okay. And similarly for the outbound, then again for the outbound we'll have the same a staging
Staging
area.
area.
Yes.
Mhm.
GI zone, goods issue zone. Whenever there is a requirement of the product, operator will pick the product from the bin and stage it in the GI zone before loading it in the truck,
Okay.
and the goods
Got
issue will
it.
happen. Okay, okay. We have talked about the deployment options in the EWM, PCWM, and the deployment options, org structure of the EWM, right?
Yeah.
And how the layout looks in a warehouse, all the incoming and outgoing, right? All the incomings are known as inbound, which will be, and all the outgoings are known as outbound. And then we have internal movements, like
Mhm.
moving the product from one bin to other bin. If the bin is
Mhm.
damaged or something, well, they'll move it to one bin, or if they want to perform physical inventory, all the internal movements, right? Going on.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Any
so
questions you
can
have?
you yeah, can you cover
Yeah.
the technical too, or it's only the pure functional?
No, it's only pure functional, not
Okay, so I just asked them like I'm looking for technical too. So
okay. Yeah. Okay.
yeah, technical anyway. Like I think I'm fine. So the only the one of the see, let's take. I have one question. So in the EWM, when we like let's take an example. I created a delivery and it triggers to EWM, and I
So
can see the logistics delivery. But so when we complete the picking and packing, and when we click on the goods issue, so
yes.
what I just observed like on the theoretical way, so it is hitting to backend to complete the goods issue, which is in
So
asynchronous mode, correct?
yes.
So is there any way we can make it as a synchronous?
Yeah, we can control the queues, right? If you want to manually process it, these are the queues we have, right? Whenever you complete the do the goods issue in EWM system, it will
Mhm.
automatically go and update to the S4 system through queues. If you want to perform this syncing manually, you can stop the queues, right? And then you can perform run a report or something to update manually.
So
Whenever you
basically okay,
yes,
got it. I understand. So basically my requirement is so we are building a product. So in the product where we are entering the delivery number, so we are fetching the data from the backend, and once we are doing the handling unit creation, the picking, packing, and when we click on the ship now, so what we are doing is we are contacting to carrier system and getting the tracking number, and once the tracking number is there, we are completing the goods issue. So here so right now what I observed in the theoretically in one of the demo system, when I click on the goods issue in the background, it is like some couple of seconds delay. It is triggering to the ECC and completing the goods issue. But here
yes,
the major concern is, let's take an example. If some errors like period closed or someone is locking the material or
yes.
something, I'm not getting the errors on the real time. So my question here is, in this case, when we click the goods issue, is there any way can we just contact to the ECC in a synchronous mode and get the errors on the fly?
Yes, whenever there is something like error, you said posting error issue, right?
Mm-hmm.
The queue will be stuck. Queue will
Correct.
not flow to this position. Queue will be stuck. You can
Mm-hmm.
access, you can see the queues in SMQ2, right? All the failed
Yes.
queues. Since the
Correct.
data is missing, required data. Then what you have to do is rectify the data issue or open the period or something. Then you'll have to reset the queue or execute the queue again. Then it will go and
Mm-hmm.
update this position.
Correct.
Whenever some data or some error, anything is missing, there will be failed queues.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
And the queues we
But
can see it
but
in SMP. Yes,
yeah, but this is not a real time, right? So my question is, can we make it as a real time?
I think that what does real time? This is what
So real
happened
time.
for real time.
No, like let's take an example here in this case. When I
Okay.
click the goods issue, there is a posting error issue and it's stuck in the queue. But in the EWM side, that is updated as completed.
Yes, there won't be any restrictions in the EWM system.
Okay, but in this case, if I use this concept, then there will be an issue right in the background. Like let's take an example. We are in the GI zone where the staging area. So like the operator is scan the material and click and he just say it's done. So if
Okay.
something goes wrong and it will be the errors and but the product is shipped but the queues are still error like so the inventory is not a real time, right?
Yes, yes, but the those error will not stop EWM, right? Since the product is actually shipped, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say it will be updated in EWM, right? Product is shipped.
Okay.
EWM will not stop you if there are any errors like posting different error or some data missing, right? It will not stop you. Since the activities actually physically has been done. So there should be a record that the activity has been done.
So in this case, what we need to do is always monitor the queues and clear the queues.
Yes.
Okay, so there is no option to see. Let's take an example when we do the PGI in the VL02, and if we see any errors, we'll get the errors immediately, right? It will not go to the queues and process it. So we'll get the errors immediately.
Yeah,
So
because there
my
is
question.
that is only one system, right? S4 system.
Mm-hmm,
Here the case is two EWM and S4 system, right?
mm-hmm, okay,
It is in such a way that you should not stop any operations in the real time. Whatever the issue is,
okay,
it should be at the S4, right? EWM, there won't be any stopping or something, right? This EWM system will be accurate.
okay, okay, got it.
Let's
So
say like
what I
you have,
understand is there should not be any real time similar like ECC. It should be only from the queues level.
yes,
Okay.
let's say like because the work is actually been done, right? Physically where
Mhm.
whether they have received the product or issued the product, it is done. When
Okay.
let's say if we control the message in EWM system, let's say while doing the goods issue, if it shows throws an error posting period
Mm-hmm.
issue, but physically stock is been shipped to the customer, right? There
Mm-hmm.
would be data mismatch, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And there should be some track to how. Let's take this example, right? Let's consider this as a system, right? This is ECC, this is EWM system, right? So, so whenever you create a purchase order, you will not create purchase order in EWM system. You will create this in
Yes.
PO here, then also inbound delivery will be created in export system as well using VL31 implementation.
Mm-hmm.
After creation of the inbound delivery, this delivery will get distributed to EWM system
Mm-hmm.
using distribution model, right?
Yeah.
Okay. When once you done the put away goods receipt and put away, again the queue will come and update here in the inbound delivery in VL33N. You can see that updation, right?
Yeah.
Status will be completed. So whenever there is a posting period issue, the queue will start. It will not come and update here. So in this transaction, we'll still see the status as A. Okay. Then we have to open the period and reprocess the queue for exit. Then it will come and update in the ISO system.
Okay. So basically, it should be only from the queues. Without queues, it is not possible.
No.
Okay, got it.
Similarly for reservation or something, right? Reservation
Mm-hmm.
or work order we have, sales order, right? We'll create an outbound delivery here in S4 system itself. Since all these
Mm-hmm.
documents are available in S4, we'll create here and this will get replicated to EWM system. Here we'll do the actual work, picking goods issue, right? Picking, packing and goods issue. Then after the goods issue, the queue will come and update here to the S4 system. stating that the work has been done, then we will generate the material document.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions you have?
Right now, no, I'm good.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then when we can stop the session at one.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. And like you said, you also wanted to learn the technical, right?
Yeah. So basically, I'm a
Technical,
developer. Like,
yeah, I know, but
I
yeah, understood that. But to learn technical, first you should learn functional, right? Without learning
correct,
functional,
correct.
technical will be difficult for you.
Yeah, correct. Got it. Yeah. For now, first we'll start with the functional one, and I'll explore the options on the technical side. That's not be a problem. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
okay then.
Thank you, Ashwin. Thanks for your time.
Thank
I'll
you.
get
Have a
back
good
to
one.
you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Bye.